Coming to you live at the Philadelphia Technician Training Institute located at 1901 West Girard Avenue. And I'm speaking to one of my students here, Sheltina. And Sheltina, you just started, what, about a month or so ago? And what has been your experience so far? And talk about your newest certification there.
Well, I passed my test, my first one.
Awesome.
And it's different. I like it. I just have to, stay in my corners more, and I learned that, so I'm working good on that part so far. Next, just can't wait.
For your next one, right, to happen.
Yep.
And so, any advice out there for females? Because, females make outstanding welders. I mean, that's a fact. That's a true fact. So, I mean, what can you say to someone out there that's thinking maybe, they kind of like that thought about doing welding, but they're kind of hesitant?
Well, I think they should do it because, first time you never know how it's going to be. You don't know if you're going to like it or not. But it was my first time, and I like it a lot. I'm glad I came in this field.
And I'm glad you came too, and I wish you nothing but success, Sheltina. I'm waiting for that next cert.
Thank you.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.